Hi guys, good morning. This is your coach Romeo Rovillos, and again, you can call me Mentor Rome or Coach Rome. And again, hello Facebook Nation and hello world. All right. Today, guys, we will be discussing two topics. All right. Number one is, of course, we would like to quickly show you how much we've earned so far in just 2 months here on Facebook. Alright? Again, guys, I'm doing this for part-time. I'm a full-time call center agent sa isang BPO company here in Taguig. And I'm doing this as a part-time. Probably I spend 2 or 3 hours promoting the business and, of course, answering inquiries about Facebook. Alright? Or how are you going to earn about how are you going to earn or learn how to earn here on Facebook. Alright? And then the second discussion that we will be doing, guys, is about Facebook Eloading. So you see that a while ago. One way really here on Facebook is to through Facebook Eloading, guys. So once na-affiliate ka na, meron kang marireceive na 30 eload subseller activation code na pwede mong ibenta. Alright? So, pwede mo siyang ibenta, guys, ng 100 pesos. So, kung 30 yon times 30, so equals 3,000. Alright? Now, guys, paano ka makakapag-activate ng eload subseller? Okay. So, unang-una, kailangan mong ibigay yung referral link mo, which is, or can be found on your dashboard. So, down below, you can see your referral link. This is where those affiliates na gusto rin or hindi pa affiliate na gustong mag-activate ng kanilang account. So, ito siya, guys. So, referral link. Yan. Makikita nyo rin yan sa mobile device nyo. Just scroll down at the very bottom page, bottom part of the page. Okay? So, going back, guys, so let them sign up on your referral link, then go to subscribers list. So, makikita mo doon kung inactive or active subseller ba si yung nag-sign up sa referral link mo. So, just scroll down, guys, then. So, dito siya sa dashboard mo. And then, left-hand side, look for subscribers. So, hit nyo yan, or click nyo yan. And then, yan, maglo-load siya. And then, makikita nyo yung list ng people na nag-subscribe sa link nyo, sa referral link nyo. So, yan, guys. So, kung si, let us say, Mylene Gown, gusto niyang mag-activate as a subseller. So, just hit activate subseller kasi nandyan naman yung mobile number niya. Alright? Now, guys, let's go back to the slide. Ang sabi dyan, how to use load or how to load using Facebook dashboard. So, you can load Smart, Talk and Text, Globe, TM, Touch Mobile, tama ba? Touch Mobile at Sun subscribers. Okay? So, I'm sorry about that. And then, so let's go to Eloading. So, loading. So, there are 3 options there. Loading, transfer, and then history. So, loading, guys, is, yun nga, maglo-load ka. Since active affiliate tayo, it only means na active na yung account natin to send loads to a specific number. Alright? So, you can enter the number here, mobile number. And, you know what, guys? Ang maganda dito, the system will automatically detect kung ano yung number niya. Kunwari, 0917. That's the prefix of the number. And then, madedetect niya kung globe ba siya or smart. Diba? Amazing. So, yun. So, pwede kang mag-load ng 10, 100, 110, 115. And then, may mga available promotions din dyan. And like, Go Surf or Surf 50, 200, 120. And then, just enter your PIN here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, hit load or submit in there. Ngayon, guys, sabi niya dyan, Eloading is temporary, not available. Please try again. So, alam niyo lang kung bakit, or alam niyo kung bakit, anong reason unavailable siya. Kasi wala tayong load wallet balance. Alright? Naka 0-0 siya, guys. So, other than that, of course, how to transfer load wallet naman to your subseller. So, punta pa rin tayo dun sa dashboard natin and then hit transfer. That's the second option. And then, maglo-load yung transfer page. And then, may option ka dyan to choose wallet. Let us say, load wallet siya, kukunin yung balance mo. And then, kung ano yung username. Yung username, guys, dun sa subscribers, nandun yan, ha? So, kailangan nyo lang siyang i-take note. Let us say, my username is, yan, my name. Yan. And then, amount, kung magkano. Let us say, 1,000. And then, your PIN. And then, hit transfer. Okay? So, that's how you transfer, load to your subsellers. Alright? And then, next is, how much is the rebates for top up? Kunwari, kung magta-top up ka, guys, as an active affiliate gets 2% top up, and the Eload subseller gets 1% top up. So, it only means na kung nag-top up ka ng 1,000 pesos as an active affiliate, magiging 1,020 siya. And then, kapag subseller ka naman, magiging 1,010 pesos yung 1,000 load wallet mo. Alright? So, other features, guys, ng Eloading natin is makikita mo yung history. History for the Eloading na or loads na transfer mo sa isang mobile number, and then transfer din ng load wallet. Alright? So, sa Eloading, guys, makikita dyan, may reference number hanggang sa date, mobile number, amount, kung magkano, and then yung promo code. And then sa transfer naman, ganun din. Let's just quickly wait for it to load. So, transfer, message, total, and then transfer date kung kailan mo transfer yung load wallet. Alright? So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to know about Eloading on Paysbook. So, that's actually one way to earn here on Paysbook. Alright? Now, guys, iiwan ko yung link ko dyan sa baba if you would like to know more about Paysbook and ways to earn. You can also please subscribe to my channel and get in touch to the link provided on my for my Facebook account. Alright? So, guys, that's it for now, and shout out muna sa Team Champions. And again, this is your coach, Romeo Rovillos, and have a great day to all of you guys. Bye for now, Facebook Nation, and to everyone.